In this video, we're taking an honest look at Mozello, a simple website builder designed for beginners and small businesses, and while it offers an easy setup with clean templates, built-in multilingual support, and even a basic online store, it's important to understand its real strengths and limitations before choosing it. Mozello is great for quick websites because its block-based editor keeps things straightforward, though this same structure limits creative freedom compared to true drag-and-drop builders. The free plan is generous enough to get started, but advanced features like custom domains and more polished e-commerce tools require upgrading, and users often note that integrations with third-party services are limited. Performance and reliability are generally solid, and those comfortable with code can extend functionality with custom HTML or CSS, but larger projects or stores may find the platform too restrictive as needs grow. Overall, Mozello works best for simple portfolios, blogs, or small business sites that prioritize ease over flexibility. Stay tuned and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.